Hi, I'm Farinaz. I'm going to guide you through some of my most important core exercises. If I'm not doing these, then I'm doing a variation of these. Our first exercise is a good morning complex. You start with your feet a little bit wider than shoulder width. Press the outer edges of the feet. Hands are behind your head. You bend down, hinge from the hips, then go to a squat, and then come back up the same way. You want to squeeze your bum at the top. Exhale as you go. Inhale as you come down. We're doing 7 reps together. This was number 5, just 2 more. One last one. Awesome. Our second exercise is like you are on your hands and knees. You want to make sure that your arms are as wide as the shoulders, lifting up your knees, pressing your hands and your toes down to the floor, squeezing your abs. If this is too difficult, come down on your knees, arch your back, curve, squeeze the abs, and release. Let's do 2 more together. One more. Or if you want to do the harder version, you're just holding, pressing your hands down, pressing your toes down. Our third exercise is on your back. You're lying down. Your feet are up. You can, of course, slightly bend the knees. The harder variation would be upper body crunching, bum lifting at the same time. Exhale as you lift. One more. If this is too hard on your neck, keep your hands down and just lift up your bum. Your knees can be as bent as you wish. As long as you lift your bum, we're good. One more. Our last exercise, your heels are down, your hands are down. You have a natural arch in your back. We want to press this arch down to the mat, squeeze the lower abs, and release. And again, inhale when you're released. Exhale when you connect your lower back to the mat. One more. We're going to do 2 more rounds together, so 3 sets in total. Shoulder width apart, a little bit wider. Press the outer edges of the feet. Hinge down from the hips. Squat. Back up the same way for 7. Don't forget that squeeze at the top. 3, 4, 5. One last one. And that's 7. Then back to that hands and knees. Take a deep breath in and go. Holding for 15 seconds. Making sure your belly button is in and you're breathing rhythmically. 2 and 1. Perfect. And then lying on our back. Legs are up, slight bend in the knees, lifting up the upper body and the bum. For 7. 3. One more. Perfect. Hands are down, starting from that natural arch, pressing your lower back down to the mat, exhaling at the same time. 3, 4, 5. One last one. That's 7. Awesome. We're ready for the third one. Back to the top, hands behind your head. Squat down, same way back. Breathe, squeeze at the top. Try to keep your belly button in at all times. 3. That's 4. 5. That's 6. And that's 7. 3, 2, and lift and hold. Squeezing the abs, pressing your hands down, pressing the toes down. Belly button is in. Breathing rhythmically. 4 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Second to last exercise. Crunch and lift up your bum. Three. 6. One last one. Awesome. Feet down, hands down. From arch to press. That's 4. 5. Last 2. Last one. Perfect. I hope you feel more aware in your core and keep that awareness throughout the day. Till next time.